We were founded more than 50 years ago as part of Dan River Textiles to make textile sizing agents for fabric and cloth. The textile industry has changed a lot in the last 50 years, and so have we. Our specialty now is making proprietary chemicals for a variety of leading chemical companies around the world. We're really good at viscosity control, particle size control, and we're really good at controlling moisture contents.
What we've seen is that folks have different needs. Some folks need small amounts. They're doing process development. And we've built a new facility, our Advanced Technology Center, to help them do that.
What the ATC does is allow us to move from a few pounds of material that you can make in a laboratory to semi-works production. We can make a few hundred pounds or a few thousand pounds of material. The process allows us to figure out how to make the product better, more effectively, more efficiently. And as soon as we finish scaling the product up in the ATC, we have a very good idea how to take it to our full production.
Many customers come to us with fairly complex products where we have to put together different pieces of equipment. We may have to put together a standard vertical stirred reactor along with a centrifuge, along with a horizontal reactor that's used as a dryer. So one of the things that we can do is place multiple pieces of equipment at the customer's disposal. We can do that as well in the ATC so that we can do it on a small scale, but everything that we do on a small scale, we're able to accomplish in the commercial process up in the main plant. Whether it's a 5-gallon pail or a rail car, we have the various sized equipment to be able to make those kind of quantities. We have the various sized tanks to be able to store those kind of quantities, and we ship those kind of quantities.
We start every operation with a safety review. Fundamentally, what we believe is that the employee has a right to come to work every day and go home in the same condition they came in.
Every meeting, every time we sit down as a group and talk, whether it's with a customer or it's with our own employees, the first thing we cover is safety. You can't be in this business if you don't run a safe company.
I lead the environmental health, safety, and security efforts here at DanChem, but it's really our employees that have taken ownership of it. They've driven it for the past couple of years. If you want to have solid programs, you have to have the employees empowered and involved in it. We implemented a wastewater treatment project. It's state-of-the-art. It's gotten a lot of recognition from our local, state, and federal regulatory agencies and raised the bar quite a bit. It's given us a lot of flexibility on site on the types of chemicals that we can handle. You can rest assured that we're not sending anything down the drain that shouldn't be.
Right next to safety and the fundamental part of our business is our commitment to confidentiality. We go to great lengths to make sure that when a new customer comes on site, they're not going to learn anything about any other customer that's here. It's imperative that when a customer comes in that they have the confidence that they can tell us whatever we need to know to make the product effectively. Whatever they tell us and whatever secrets we develop when we make the product here stays here. Our customers bring us interesting problems or market challenges, often under pretty tight timelines.
I think what separates us from other companies is our flexibility. We've got a lot of technical resources on site. We have a lot of different capabilities.
What we do in a year may take some people 20 or 30 years to get that kind of varied experience in chemistry and engineering.
Bring us an interesting opportunity. We like challenges. I think you'll be pleased.